Color coding is critical in Goodman air conditioning wiring because it reduces wiring errors and speeds up troubleshooting for future technicians. Goodman units follow a common color convention that helps technicians quickly identify control, power, and safety circuits. The thermostat control wires usually follow a pattern where red is the 24-volt hot feed, white is the heat call, yellow is the cooling call, green is the fan, and blue or brown can be used for a common or auxiliary functions. Compressor and condenser fan motors will often have black for line, brown or blue for motor leads, and red or yellow for capacitive or start leads depending on the schematic. When working at the electrical terminal strip, first de-energize the system at the breaker, and then label each existing wire with its function before disconnecting anything. If replacing a run of cable, match colors to the original functions and route wires the same way to preserve future clarity. For any non-standard or mixed color situations, take a clear photograph, update the equipment service log, and add a short note on the unit cabinet indicating which conductor performs each function. 3 common mistakes are assuming colors always match function, mixing splices without color continuation, and leaving undocumented changes after repairs. Assuming colors always match function leads to incorrect connections, so always verify with a multimeter and the unit schematic before making permanent hookups. Mixing splices or using different colored conductors in the same circuit confuses later troubleshooting, so extend original colors or use consistent marker tape to restore the intended identification. Leaving undocumented deviations means the next technician wastes time and risks safety, so write down any changes on the service tag and in the maintenance record. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors for jobs like Goodman air conditioning service and wiring. Our site also helps contractors find work and join a discussion community where we and other members share practical wiring tips and repair experiences.